Hi everyone, Super Eden here. It's our day 68 of saying hi. I got famous. Uh, I just want to thank the I just want to thank to Alexandra K. Uh, for such a beautiful comment. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Uh, it's a first time in a comment section that someone has a beautiful comment, and it is on YouTube. On YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. Saying hi till we get famous, day 68. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.